Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good. So, if you remember, in our last video, we have learned about this poem, that what the poem is all about and what the poet is trying to tell us, right? And in today's video, we are going to deal with the exercise of this poem. So, let's start. First, we will see the dictation words. Students, please repeat after me, okay? First one is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Second one is worms. W-O-R-M-S. Worms. Third is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Fourth one is awful. A-W-F-U-L. Awful. Fifth one is brave. B-R-A-V-E. Brave. Sixth is tucked. T-U-C-K-E-D. Tucked. Seventh is snug. S-N-U-G. Snug. Eighth one is prayer. P-R-A-Y-E-R-S. Prayers. Ninth one is creepy. C-R-E-E-P-Y. Creepy. C-R-E-E-P-Y. Creepy. Right? And the last one is different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. So student, now we will see the word meaning of this poem. First, ain't. Ain't means am not. Toads. Toads means frog-like animals. Awful nice means very nice. Standing means standing. And last, creepy-like means moving without a sound, like a snake. Okay, now we will see the question answer of this chapter. The first question is, what is the child not scared of? जो बॉय था, जो चाइल्ड था, उसको किन चीज़ों से डर नहीं लगता था? तो द आंसर इज, द चाइल्ड इज नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ स्नेक्स, बग्स, टोड्स, worms and mice. Second question, what is the child scared of? जो चाइल्ड था, जो बॉय था, जो पोएट था, उसको किस चीज़ से डर लगता था? तो द आंसर इज, द चाइल्ड इज स्कैर्ड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट ही सीज एट नाइट इन द डार्क. जो चाइल्ड था उसको उन चीज़ों से डर लगता था जो कि वो रात में अंधेरे में देखता था. दैट इज ऑल्सो स्नेक, बग्स, टोड, वर्म एंड माइस. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, डिस्क्राइब इन योर ओन वर्ड्स what the things do at night. जो थिंग्स थी, जो ये क्रीपी क्रिएचर्स थे, वो रात में क्या करते थे? यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. सो द आंसर इज, समटाइम्स द थिंग सिट, स्टैंड, वॉक अराउंड और क्रीप अबाउट. राइट? क्या होता था कि रात में कभी कभी ये थिंग्स क्या होते थे? बैठते थे, उठते थे, खड़े होते थे, वॉक करते थे और क्रीप करते थे. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक द चाइल्ड इज रियली ब्रेव? व्हाट डू यू थिंक, दैट द चाइल्ड वाज ब्रेव? सो द आंसर इज यस, आई थिंक द चाइल्ड इज क्वाइट ब्रेव. So these are the question answer students. Now I am giving you a homework. What you have to do is, you have to write a paragraph on what are you scared of and why. Means आप किस एक चीज़ से scared हो, क्यों डरते हो आप उस चीज़ से, क्या है वो चीज़ और आप उससे क्यों डरते हो. Do it in your classwork copy and also tell me the answer. As you all know that we all are scared of something, so I am sure that you all are also scared of any particular thing, right? So let's move forward. Now we will see match the movements and the sound with the animals. Now here are the name of some animals. There are some movement and the sound. The first one is slither. Slither. Slithers do snake, and the snake makes the sound hiss. Hop. Who hop? Frog hops and it makes the sound croak. Who swims? Duck swims and she makes a sound quack. Who flies? Crows flies and it makes a sound cow. And the last is spring. Who springs? Tigers springs and it makes a sound roar. Right? So we will do the last exercise, which is grammar fun. So in this grammar fun we will learn what is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they and them are common pronouns. Right? For example, mother says happy dreams. Mother switch off the lights. Here mother word is used twice. So we will change it by using the pronoun. Mother says happy dreams. She switch off the lights. Here she is used on the place of the mother. Here is the exercise. What you have to do is you have to circle the pronouns in the paragraph. First try to do it by yourself and then check your answer with this, which I have solved for you. Okay? Do it in your classwork copy and also send me the images. I will upload this file on Google Classroom. You can see it from there as well. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye and stay at your home.